Hello to everybody. In order to calculate the throughput in real time in NS, you can use throughput.pl. It's a .pl. It's a perl script on the web. You can just write the name of the script, and you will find some interesting links. You will see the script in this format. So you could copy it and paste it in the folder in which you are working or your simulation is, or where your output.tera file is. So I have done that previously, and I have already put it the throughput.pl file at my simulation folder where I have the trace file of the output trace file from the previous simulation that we have done it, named as exercise 1. So you can see that the perl script that calculates the throughput in real time could be used like this. You have to write the name of the script, the trace file from where you are going to take the inputs. You are going to write the destination node where you are calculating the throughput, and you should determine the granularity at which the samples will be taken, and last you will give the name of the output file where you are going to storage the information. So there are several ways how to do this. I will show you both of them. Now, as you can see in the working folder, you cannot notice any other file that describes throughput. So I'm going to return back in the network terminal. Previously, we have executed the simulation named as example1, or short or labeled as short as x1. So I'm writing the throughput, the perl command throughput.pl. I'm going to use the out.tera file in which we have stored all information, all trace information. I'm interested in the throughput at the node 4, and I'm going to use granularity 1. I'm going to store the information in the file php. So I run this command, and we'll see a difference. It will calculate the PHP file, and I can notice now that in the folder where I have put the throughput.pl and the out.tera file is situated, I can see other file named as THP. In this THP file I have the information about the time and the throughput that I have in real time. In our next simulation we are going to see how to plot this file in real time. So there is other way how to do this. For example, if you open the example1.tcl, in order not to do this, you can just put in the finish procedure exec perl throughput.pl, and you give the directions from which file, which node, granularity, and file. For example, I'll write here thp1 in order to test it. So after all, I have saved the change in the file. So I will just run the script ns example1.tcl, and we'll see what will happen. This is the way how to execute all requested calculation of the throughput in one TCL script, not to execute them one by one. I'm going to quit the network animator tool, and I'm just going to see what I have now in the folder, in which is example 1. I can see that I have THP file 1 that is different from the THP. It does the same function, so it's easier to integrate it in the native TCL script.